Okay, so he's been calling me every day, at least 3 times a day for the past week, and I'll tell you why. I went to his house about a week ago before I came out here to LA to film this whole reality show thing for MTV. And I told him, I sat down in his house, I brought him a plate of tacos. I said, look, buddy, seriously, I don't want to be your girlfriend. I never wanted to be your girlfriend. It was just a fling. And he got really upset at first, and he had a bottle of Hennessy and a joint. I don't know why. He slammed the Hennessy onto the counter. He put his joint out in the ashtray, which I'm surprised he even had. And he looks at me and he's like, no, Jolene, it's not over. And I freaked out because he was getting kind of like violent. So I backed away from the table. I'm like, yeah, it is. And I'm leaving now. I'll talk to you some other day. Have a good life. And he was like, he grabbed my hands. He was like, fucking no. I love you. It is not over. I will never love her like I love you. It is over between me and her. And I was like, it's not. Don't lie to me. I know what's going on here. And I was like, you just have your cake and you eat it too. I don't want to be your girlfriend. I really don't. And he flipped out, and I got up to leave, and I was walking down the stairs of his apartment. He came running out in his boxers, and he was like, oh, we'll get a toothbrush, and it will be love forever. And I was like, no. And I drove away in my car, and he couldn't chase me because he doesn't have a car or a license or a job or friends or a toothbrush. And that's about the extent of it. He's just crazy. Oh my god, my phone is going off right now, and I guarantee you 100% it's him, and he's going to be like, I love you! Come back to Ohio where we can be together in the snow. And I'm like, nah, I'm in LA, there's palm trees, it's nice out here, I don't want to be together with you in the snow. That's about it. So